Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a countdown timer in PowerPoint, just like this. Let's get started. Pick your round shape and draw. Adjust the shape. Give it preferred color. I'm going with red. Outline, no outline. Increase. Copy and paste. Edit. Crop. Sorry. Click on the first shape, which is number 5. Go to animation and click on appear. Adjust some settings. Start from previous. Go to animation. Navigate to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous and increase the delay to 1 second. Go to the next shape, which is number 4. Go to the animation, click on appear, start with previous. Go to animation and go to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 2 seconds. Go to the next shape, which is number 3. Go to animation or click on appear. Start with previous. Go to animation. Go to the exit box. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 3 seconds. Go to the next shape. Click on appear. Start with previous. Go to animation. Go to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 4 seconds. Click on the shape. Click on appear. Start with previous. Go to animation. Go to the exit box. Click on start with previous. And increase the delay to 5 seconds. Click on your last shape. Click on appear. Start with previous and increase the delay. Highlight, go to format. Click on align, center, align again, and click on middle. Let's move to the next one. First, change the background. Right click on format background, share, gray. Pick this rectangular shape and draw. Adjust. Give it preferred color. And wear it color black. Copy or paste in 3 places. Give it white outline. No outline. Go to animation. Click on more. Swipe. Go to effects option and click from left. Adjust settings. click on previous and increase the duration to 10 seconds. Click on the last shape, outline, black, fill, no fill. Click on outline, click on width, and click on more lines. Increase the width here. And paste this object on each other. Let us check what I've done. Pick a round shape. Adjust. Give a preferred color. Outline. No outline. Go to animation. Click on more. Click on wave. Adjust settings. Start with previous. And click on go to timing, duration. Make it 1 second fast. Repeat. Click on 10. Clear. Pick another round shape. You will preferred color, words, outline, no outline, or pitch, text, and increase the fonts, copy, and paste. Click on the first number, which is number 10. Go to animation. Click on appear. Go to timing. Start with previous. Go to animation. Navigate to exist box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. And increase the delay to 1 second. Go to the next number, which is number 9. Animation, click on appear. Start with previous. Go to animation. Go to the exit box and click on disappear. Start with previous. And increase the delay to 2 seconds. Go to the next number, which is number 8. Appear. Start with previous. Animation. Navigate to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 3 seconds. Click on the next number, which is number 7. Go to animation. Click on appear. Start with previous. Animation. Exit box, disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 4 seconds. The next number, number 6. Go to animation, click on disappear. Start with previous. Go to animation. navigate to the exit box, click on disappear, start with previous, increase the delay to 5 seconds. Go to the next number, which is number 5. Start with previous. Go to animation again. Go to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 6 seconds. Go to the next number, which is number 4. Appear. Start with previous. Animation. Go to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 7 seconds. Go to the next number, number 3. Animation. Disappear. Start with previous. Animation again. Disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 8 seconds. Number 2. Appear. Start with previous. Animation. Into the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 9 seconds. Go to the last number, number 1. Click on appear. Start with previous. Go to animation. Go to the exit box. Click on disappear. Start with previous. Increase the delay to 10 seconds. Click on times up. Click on appear. Start with previous. On increase. Click on Ctrl A to highlight. Go to formats, align, center, align again. Or click on middle. Click on move. Wow. If you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching.